time, pray for you all the time.
Go. This is the forest. The forest is part of our community. Everyone, my name is Joy Arnino, and today I will gonna present to you our part of our community, the forest. Deep within our community lies a treasure cave, the forest, a place wherein nature's between our wander away and where our community comes together to connect with the land, each other. That's more than just a collection of trees. It's a hub for our community members come here to help between and bunch enjoying the place and together that nature provides. Forest is also a place for community, even an activities we host festival, nature, works, and clean up. Incentivizing bringing people together to collaborate and product our nature space. The forest is home to adverse manage of wildlife and plant life, each playing a vital role in the ecosystem. The forest holds many stories and memory for our community members, from each childhood adventure to quiet moment of reflection. The forest is a place where we find sufficient inspiration. We remind of the importance of preserving and protecting these nature trees. Let's continue to change and care for our forest.